All right, shalom, shalom. Welcome to Zento Music. This is an update now. We're at the September. Today is September 27, 2018. So this will be the update video, continuing, or I guess a part two to the demonetization that happened. So now I have just to let people that are following the channel realize and know that I have reapplied to the monetization, and I went over the things that were the issue. It said duplication, but I think what it meant by when it said duplication, it was really talking about some of the copyrights. I had certain videos, even like older videos, and it's honestly it's my own music too that's copyrighted because I have my distributor. But regardless, they see that as a copyright, and they think that I'm taking different people's stuff. So what I've done is basically I privated all my ones that were marked as copyright, and I've deleted some of them. So YouTube, if you're listening, I hope that you can see that that's what I've done. And so there will never be another video uploaded with copyright again. I learned that lesson. I see the truth in that. So again, so this is the page after when you reapply, you see um, the partner program. Of course, I'm already accepted. I have my AdSense, so that's good. I just did my monetization preferences setting, so I did that. And so now they're reviewing it. I have, again, the 4,000 hours of watch time. Way surpassed that, and I have more than 1,000 subscribers. So it would be good to see what comes next. So I'm just hoping that everything is a go, and I get the monetization, and we can just continue plugging away in life and throwing up good content, education, faith, and music. Zento Music is all about the truth and education and good vibrations and the next level of humanity, the next level of energy, just the next thing, constantly growing, and that's what we represent here. So again, a quick update. Thank you for being a part of my channel, and please like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about the channel. Again, go through the archives of all the older videos. There's a lot of great stuff. I have a love playlist, some teachings on love. I have a playlist of even video games. If you just want to be entertained, got some gaming stuff. Again, faith. We got the audiobooks, the Dead Sea Scrolls, some of my music. We got it all. So visit us at zentomusic.com. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and keep supporting and keep the vibrations high. Salem, salem. Thank you. You're tuned into Zento Music. Salem.